I'm strawberry, the berry of brilliance. Packed with antioxidants, I support your cognitive function, making learning a berrylicious adventure. Sweeten your studies with a touch of strawberry charm.
I'm Peach, your juicy companion on the road to knowledge. Full of vitamins, I'm here to enhance your focus and help you retain all those interesting facts. Peachy learning awaits!
Hey, it's Plum. Small but mighty, I'm filled with vitamins and antioxidants. Let the plum power fuel your concentration and make your learning sessions plumtastic.
Hello, inquisitive minds. I'm Pear, the fruit of wisdom. With dietary fiber to keep you feeling full and focused, I'm your perfect study buddy for a perfect educational experience.
Hello, little scholars. I'm Avocado, the creamy brain booster. Packed with healthy fats, I support your cognitive function and keep your learning journey as smooth as my texture. Avocado and learn.